Hey everyone, the professor here, and let's jump right into the midweek analysis. Now, we had the crude oil news today come back down perfectly to our level right here. Again, a super nice level. Not only was it a nice level again, but when we threw on our Fibonacci, kind of a nice area to look for that reversal right near that 88.6 area. So once again, Fibs plays an important role in everything we do inside of our members area. So now we are going to kind of take a look at what is happening here. Okay, this is going to be a kind of pretty important trend line. It looks like we are going to continue bullish on crude oil for the rest of the week. Okay, I'm going to kind of close this out and I'm going to go over to the weekly candle. You can see now here that this is the area that we spiked, and we can see a lot of buyers coming back into the crude oil market. This is what it's done today. Okay, we started down, we had crude oil news, and then we are lifting up since then. And there's our 8-hour view, and here is our 4-hour view. So going back into the chart here, I am going to give you some levels on this video. So definitely stick around. I'm going to give you the levels. Again, what I want you to do is pause the video and mark up your charts so that you can be successful. If you're in the club, you don't have to worry. You're going to get this chart when I'm done with today's video. Okay, so let's go ahead and kind of get back into the chart here. And let's go ahead and draw up some levels here as we are moving through this 4-hour level right here. Okay, and then at the bottom, of course, this is going to be a level here, but I'll drop it one more time right in there. So we are bullish from this area, but keep in mind, when you look at structure, okay, we are still in this bearish structure. We are not going to change structure until we close above, and let me grab a call out, right? This 7150, okay, 7150 really changes. Let me move the chart so you can see it. Really changes the structure, okay? The big time frame structure. Okay, so we are not there yet, right? We're getting there, but we're not there yet. And you can see here what kind of happened before once we closed above that 7150 area. Okay, so let's get back to where we are, and we are here. Okay, so we got a couple of levels that we have to contend with before we get up to that level. The first one is going to be this trend line. Okay, so once we break the trend line, and we can always drop down to the 1 hour. Okay, if we close above that trend line, then we can expect price to possibly come back down towards this area of the trend line and then continuation back up. Okay, we shall see what's going to happen at this key level right here, which is basically 69. Okay, so I'm going to remove the trend line so it's easier for you to see, and we are waiting to see how price is going to react at that level. Now, if we drop a Fibonacci, okay, and we drop it back in here, we can see that we are kind of getting into this critical area. So we probably will anticipate some type of retracement down from this area. The only way that we go long again is if we get a candle to close back above this area. And let me get rid of the Fibonacci levels. Okay, so this makes the chart super, super clean for you. Okay, so we can possibly expect here, where we have some liquidity, to see price coming up to take out that liquidity. Okay, so if you were going to try to grab some pips or some points in a short market, right, your trade would have to look almost something like this. That would have to be your exit. Okay, and then you're going to try to target this all the way back down if you are going to try to short the market here at this level. Okay, the longs will not happen until we get this closure. Okay, so we need price. We need price to close above here for a break and retest for another long position. Okay, so we basically need this to happen okay, over here, okay, before we are going to go long again. So it would look like this. Price comes up, price comes back down to this key level, and then we go back up here. Okay. So use caution on this short. If this short play does not work out, you exit quickly and you jump over to a long position. The only concerning fact for me here on trying to short this is that we still have some liquidity sitting on this candle. So you may get a temporary short. You may actually even get kind of a teacup move back down, but then usually that means we're going to continue higher on a teacup pattern. So this is kind of what you're looking for the rest of today, which is Wednesday, and then heading into Thursday and Friday. Of course, if price does come back down to this level here, then we look to become buyers one more time. Okay, so I hope you got some value on this video. If you did, hit the like button. It's shorter than usual because I wanted to get it out quickly so you know kind of what to do and what to expect moving forward the rest of today and Thursday. And if you trade on Friday as well. Okay, if you haven't joined us yet, you can head down to theprofessortrades.com. Come on in, spend a couple of bucks and come in on a 7-day trial. I can guarantee you're going to be amazed by what we're doing each and every day inside that club. All right, I'll see you soon.